Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the best dental insurance for braces of 2024. Finding the right dental insurance for braces is crucial for managing costs associated with orthodontic treatment. In 2024, several plans stand out for their comprehensive coverage, affordability, and extensive provider network. This video highlights the top 5 dental insurance options that offer excellent benefits for braces. Delta Dental. Delta Dental excels in orthodontic coverage, making it an excellent choice for families seeking braces or other orthodontic treatments. Its plans cover 100% of preventive care and offer up to 50% coverage on orthodontics, providing significant financial relief. With an extensive network of providers nationwide, members can easily find dentists in their area. Delta Dental's reputation for reliability and comprehensive benefits make it a popular choice among consumers. Humana. Humana stands out for offering a variety of dental plan options tailored to different needs and budgets. Many of its plans feature no waiting periods for preventive care, ensuring immediate access to essential services. With premiums starting around $18 per month, Humana provides affordable choices without compromising on coverage quality. The company consistently ranks well in customer satisfaction surveys, reflecting its commitment to member service and support. Cigna Dental. Cigna Dental stands out for its comprehensive coverage options for dental implants and implant-supported dentures. Depending on the plan, Cigna can offer no annual maximums or deductibles, providing significant financial relief. The automatic claims filing process with network dentists simplifies the experience for policyholders. However, it's important to note that Cigna requires members to choose a primary care dentist, which could limit flexibility in provider selection. Availability may also vary by location, so checking local options is essential. Guardian Direct. Guardian Direct is known for its strong coverage for major dental work, including crowns and implants. Its plans often come with no waiting periods for preventive care, allowing members to access services promptly. The core plan starts with a $500 annual maximum, which increases over time, providing a safety net for unexpected dental expenses. Guardian Direct's customer service is also highly rated, enhancing the overall experience. Spirit Dental. Spirit Dental is unique in that it offers no waiting periods for any type of dental care, including major procedures and orthodontics, making it ideal for those needing immediate treatment. Its plans are designed to be budget-friendly, with some starting as low as $19.61 per month. Spirit Dental focuses on providing straightforward coverage options and excellent customer support, ensuring members can easily navigate their dental care needs without delays. Choosing the right dental insurance for braces can make a significant difference in managing costs and ensuring quality care. The plans highlighted offer valuable coverage and benefits tailored to orthodontic needs. By selecting one of these top options, you can confidently invest in your or your child's dental health and smile. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.